The TeraFlex JL 4-inch lift front track bar bracket corrects steering geometry by repositioning the axle center on JL Wranglers with 4-inch lift kits. The bracket bolts onto the front axle and eliminates bump steer and other front end issues. Included in all TeraFlex 4-inch lift kits, this bracket is also available for individual purchase. This kit can be installed with the vehicle on the ground, but we are showing the installation with the vehicle raised up in the air. Loosen, but do not remove the bolt on the frame end of the track bar. Remove the bolt on the axle end of the track bar and move the track bar out of the way. Remove the flag nut from the sway bar link bolt, but leave the bolt in place. Set the 4-inch lift front track bar bracket into place. Reinstall the flag nut onto the sway bar link bolt, but do not tighten it all the way. Install the spacer and one of the provided bolts into the lower hole of the track bar bracket. The flat part of the spacer faces up. Install the provided flag nut from below. Set the track bar into place and align the track bar with the upper hole of the bracket. Insert the bolt and finger tighten the nut on the backside. Tighten the sway bar link bolt. Tighten the bolt connecting the TeraFlex front track bar bracket to the axle bracket. To prevent the track bar bushings from tearing, return the vehicle to the ground before tightening the track bar bolts on both the axle end and the frame end.